everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It is Jen with Home Eunice Plans, and today I'm going to be doing my August monthly highlights using this beautiful kit from Sweetbellaxoxo. I know it's not a kit from my mom's shop, but we'll get into that in a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to speed you guys up and lay down the base, and then I'll get back to you with the day today. Okay, so like I said, this is the very first time I have ever used a monthly kit that was not made by my mom's shop. I know. And the reason behind that is my mom's shop is taking a completely different turn and she is no longer offering stickers. I know, crazy, but she is kind of doing a 100% makeover and she's got some really cool things coming. So stay tuned, keep an eye out on my Instagram because I will definitely be showing some sneaks, and also follow her Instagram, boodlesdoodlesdesign, to kind of get a sneak peek and a feel for what she's got going on. Anyways, jumping into the spread. On the first, I just marked that it was the first day of August and I used a bowstring box from the Giving Girl. The Hello August script is from Rose Colored Days, and those beautiful florals are from the Sweet Planner. Jumping over to the second, I wanted to mark that I took some fitness pictures to promote my Instagram and also my new Zoom classes that I offer. So to mark that, I used another piece of washi, the same washi that I used underneath the August monthly up there. And then that fitness girl is from the GP Studio. On the third, I wanted to mark that I uploaded a plan with me on this day, and I was so excited to finally get to pull in this flat lay from Papershire. I love these. I made a huge order to Papershire and all of my stuff came in and I couldn't wait to use them, so especially these. So I finally got to use it. So I pulled in that flat lay. That little swoosh is from Rose Colored Days, and the upload plan with me is one that my mom made for me. On the fourth, I wanted to mark that I had to get a knee brace on this day. I messed up my knee. I fell in a pothole because I am a glorious klutz whenever I go running, and I ended up having to get a knee brace. So I used a label from the kit, a doily dot from Crafts by Towie, and the icon is from Sassy Apple Studio. Jumping over to the fifth, I wanted to mark that I had a Zoom class on this day, and to mark that, I'm pulling in a washi box from Simply Watercolor Co. And then I will be pulling in a Zoom workout Ava from Planning Like a Pro. I adore these little icons. I have to order more because I'm running out. They are a perfect way to mark my Zoom class. Love them so much. Jumping over to the sixth, I want to mark that I did a ton of studying on this day. I like to study in 30-minute increments so that way I don't overload my brain and I can actually retain the information. So I did that a lot on this day. I kind of just took some time. I was like, okay, I'm really gonna sit down and do this. So I think I was at it for about 3, maybe 4 hours. So I marked right here that I just did so much studying. So to mark that, I'm using this little half scallop from Sweetbellaxoxo. This little desk is from the GP Studio, and the study script is one from my mom. Jumping over to the seventh, I want to mark that on this day, we took our little kitty in to get some follow-up shots. These were his last round of shots, at least while he's a kitten. He did not appreciate it. He was not a fan. So to mark that, I'm using some florals from the Sweet Planner, a little frame box from Sweetbellaxoxo, and then pulling in that veterinarian appointment sticker from the GP Studio. That little cat is just so cute. Jumping over to the 8th, I wanted to mark that this was kind of like a lazy day and I was able to really pamper and treat myself. So I pulled in some cut washi from the kit. The Bath Night script is from Pink Leaf Prints, the frame box is from Meg B Makes, and the Little Bath Time Girl is from Papershire. On the night I wanted to mark that we went and had dinner over at my parents' house. It was kind of like a big family dinner. My niece and nephews and my sister and brother-in-law were there, and it was really cool. So to mark that, I'm using this little vine scallop box from Panda Bird Designs. I'm pulling in this family dinner emoji from the Coffee Monsters Co. That flourish is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. No, it's from Netty Designs. And the script is another one from my mom. Jumping over the 10th, I wanted to mark that this was a bestie day, and it was so nice because it was the first time that I've gotten to really hang out with like my girlfriends pretty much since the pandemic, and we all went out and we went and got froyo. It was so nice. Of course, we had to like practice social distancing. They only allowed a certain amount of people into the frozen yogurt shop and everything, but it was nice. It was kind of cool to feel semi-normal for like a second. So to mark that, I'm pulling in more florals from the Sweet Planner. The label is from the kit. The two best friends are from the Fox and Pip, and the Bestie Day script is another one from my mom. Over on the 11th, I wanted to mark that this was a very, very special day because my sister-in-law closed on her new house and got to move in, and we had to go in and kind of help her deep clean. Obviously, the people who sold the house cleaned it, but we wanted to really like get down and scrub it. You know, we didn't want the Rona to be there. So to mark that, I'm using a half box from Panda Bird Design. That cleaning bucket is from the GP Studio, and the Clean House script is another one from my mom. Jumping over to the 12th, I wanted to mark that I did some meal planning on this day, and I also made some burrito bowls. So along with meal planning, I made some burrito bowls because burrito bowls are actually really good to meal prep. They keep very well and they last for like a good long while. So to mark that, I'm using the little burrito bowl from Papershire. The meal plan script is from my mom. And then I wanted to mark that my brother from Scotland FaceTimed home. So to mark that, I'm using a label from Sweetbellaxoxo, and the phone is from Planning Like a Pro. Jumping over to the 13th, I wanted to mark that I filmed a sticker haul on this day. So to mark that, I'm using another piece of cut washi from the kit, some more florals from the Sweet Planner, that frame box is from Meg B Makes, and those stickers are from Planning World. Jumping over to the 14th, I wanted to mark that we did a huge grocery run on this day. So to mark that, I'm using this beautiful half mandala from Honey Inked. That grocery girl is from the GP Studio. I pull in a lot of GP Studio girls. I love them so much. I think they're so pretty. And then the grocery run script is from Daily Dose of Stickers. On the 15th, I wanted to mark that I had a huge YouTube binge. I think I binged so many Playing With Me videos, like ones that I've already watched too, but they're from some of my favorites. So I rewatched them just because I love their personalities. I love their talent. I just think it's so cool. So I just put it on and just kind of relaxed and watch YouTube all day. So to mark that, I used another label from Sweetbellaxoxo. That girl, that binge watch girl is from the GP Studio, and those florals are again from the Sweet Planner, and the YouTube binge script is one that my mom made. On the 16th, I wanted to mark that I subbed a Yoga Lattes class for my sister. So to mark that, I am using another scallop half box from Sweetbellaxoxo. The little yoga girl is from Crafts by Towie, and the yoga script is from Kinsey's Creation. On the 17th, I wanted to mark that I had a really intense home workout. I think I'm looking at my notes right here, and that's what my notes say, really intense home workout. So to mark that, I'm using a label from the kit. That icon is from GP Studio, and that Starburst is from Honey Inked. On the 18th, I wanted to mark that we picked up a birthday gift for my dad. So to mark that, I'm using another piece of washi. It's the same washi that I've been using all throughout this spread. I thought it matched so perfectly because it's got that light purple and the flecks of gold. Just so pretty. That little package is from the Fox and Pip, and that swoosh is from Pink Polka Dot Lily. On the 19th, this was my dad's birthday, so to mark that, I'm using these balloons. It's from the same deco sheet from the Sweet Planner that I'm pulling the florals from, and I just thought these balloons were just so pretty, so I had to pull them in. I kind of staggered them. I cut off the tails so they would fit into the box. I do pull in some mini bows from the Giving Girl, channeling my inner Rachel, just to give some foil to the balloons. And then the happy birthday script is a custom that my mom made for me. This was actually her very first time foiling some scripts, and I absolutely loved them. So jumping over to the 20th, I wanted to mark that I made some homemade Crunchwrap Supremes. I found the recipe from Taco Bell. If you guys like Crunchwrap Supremes, the recipe it can be found, and it's so easy to do. So to mark that, I'm using another label from the kit, and that taco board is from Papershire. On the 21st, I wanted to mark that we went swimming on this day, so I'm pulling in this scalloped half box from Pink Polka Dot Lily. That little girl is from the Pumpkin Paper Co. On the 22nd, I just marked super busy, lots to do. So to mark that, I use one of the longer bowstrung boxes from the Giving Girl, and that to-do list girl is from the GP Studio. The to-do script is from the Happy Planner. On the 23rd, I wanted to mark that we went over to Shane's grandparents on this day. So to mark that, I pulled in that confetti circle from Nitty Designs. That little house icon is from the Pretty Pink Co. and the custom script is from my mom. On the 24th, I wanted to mark that we had kind of a get-together, a gathering. I can't remember what it's for. I didn't write that down. I just wrote that we had a get-together and a whoop-whoop party. So to mark that, I used those 2 hearts from Clever Gal Crafts with some foil overlay hearts from Clever Gal Crafts. And then the Celebrate sticker is from my mom. On the 25th, was another full day of studying. So to mark that, I used another label from the kit. That Study Girl is from Pink Polka Dot Lily, and the Bow Flourish is from Rose Colored Days. On the 26th, I wanted to mark that I had, in quotes, a fat nap on the couch. So to mark that, I cut a mandala from Honey Inked in half, use a frame box from Sweetbellaxoxo, and that Nap Time Girl is from the Fox and Pip. On the 27th, I wanted to mark that I went to the track with my dad. So to mark that, I used another half box from Panda Bird Design, and those shoes are from the GP Studio. On the 28th, I wanted to mark that I listened to the Office Ladies podcast. This was the very first day that I started listening to them, and I binged so much because I'm so behind. I'm still trying to catch up to their most current podcast. So to mark that, I used 2 flags from the Sweet Planner. That bow is from Rose and Tea Shop. The little microphone for podcast is from Crafts by Towie, and the little swoosh is from Sweetbellaxoxo. On the 29th, I wanted to mark that I organized my stickers on this day. I've been trying to find the best, most efficient, functional way to organize my stickers. I've been going through several different systems, and I think I'm finally getting it perfected. So I'm pretty excited about that. So to mark that, I used some florals from the Sweet Planner, another frame box from Meg B Makes, and that little planner cart is from Crafts by Towie. Jumping over to the 30th, I wanted to mark that we did church over at my parents' house, so I just layered a circle from Paper Muse Crafts over top of a confetti circle from Nitty Designs. The church icon is from Crafts by Towie, and the church script is from Planner Kate. Then on the 31st, I just wanted to mark that this was a lazy day, so I used some more florals from the Sweet Planner. The lazy day script is from Pink Leaf Prints, and that candle is from the Sweet Planner as well. And then I just added a heart, a foiled heart to the center. And that completes the spread. I had 0 leftovers, which is like a rarity. I was very satisfied with that. Here is a Viv Wiggle. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new here, hi, I'm Jen. I do planner things. My upload schedule is a little wonky, so just stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!